In the heavy industry world, nothing is simple. At one of our steel processing customers, complex cutting and service center lines that handle massive steel coils are an everyday challenge. Each coil is different. Each sheet requires precise leveling and straightening, and every decision an operator makes matters. Training someone for this environment has always been a challenge. Traditional methods are slow, expensive, and risky. A single mistake during training can mean significant material loss. And developing people who master multiple skills can take years. When experienced workers leave or are promoted, critical knowledge often leaves with them. That's where Rysax changes the game. Rysax doesn't just simulate machines. We recreate reality. Through immersive virtual reality and digital twins, people step inside the exact environment they will face on the shop floor. Every movement, every decision, every consequence is represented with precision. Before touching a real machine, teams can train, fail, learn, and improve. Safely. No wasted material, no production interruptions, no exposure to dangerous situations involving 20 to 30-ton steel coils, for example. Training becomes structured, measurable, and significantly faster. Years of hands-on experience are compressed into months. Critical operational knowledge is captured digitally, preserved, and shared, rather than disappearing when people move on. The result is safer operations, higher efficiency, lower costs, and more confident teams. Rysax was built for heavy industry. From steel and mining to oil, gas, energy, manufacturing, and other industries, the challenge is the same. Complex operations, high risk, and people at the center. Because at Rysax, technology isn't the goal. Protecting lives, preserving knowledge, and enabling better decisions, that's what truly changes the game.